You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these leather luxury brand name from France, famous in particular for its handbags. If you want to learn more brand names from France that are very confusing, stay tuned, we've got them all here at the end of the video. The French pronunciation, how a French person, how it be said in France, Polene, Polene, Polene. Therefore, in English you can say it as pollen, so it's not pollen, pollen. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.